Hey guys, Texas Tile Guy here, coming at you with a how-to video on how to apply siliconized acrylic caulk for all your tile needs. First off, I want to say do not apply pure silicone the same way that I do this. You will have a nasty mess on your hands. This stuff is water cleanup and it is way easier to work with than pure silicone. When applying the caulk, make sure the corners are clean and dry. That way you get the best adhesion possible. Your beads don't have to be the prettiest things, but you do want to make sure you get a good layer of caulk in the corners. You can buy this type of caulking at any Home Depot or Lowe's. You just want to make sure the color of the caulking matches your grout color. That way everything blends together real nice. Once you've applied all the beads of caulk to the corners of the areas that you're working to, go ahead and take your finger or caulking tool and smooth everything out. That way you have a nice even surface to work to. It also helps in making the cleaning process go a little smoother. Once you get done smoothing everything off, make sure you have a bucket of clean water and a sponge. These yellow grouting sponges work the best. They're made for this type of work. When cleaning the corners, you don't want to apply so much pressure that you dig out all the caulking that you just put in. You just want to give it enough pressure to where it comes all off the sides, but it leaves that bead right in the corner. Once you get done with the cleaning process and everything looks good to you, make sure you don't mess with it anymore, because all you're gonna do after that is just mess up all the work that you just put into getting a clean bead ran in that corner. I'm sure each brand is different on the curing time, so depending on the brand will depend on how long you have to wait to either not have to worry about touching it, or let's say you put it in a shower, you'll have to wait until it's properly cured until you can take a shower in that shower again. Well guys and gals, I hope this video was helpful. If so, go ahead and hit that like button, and I got more how-to DIY videos coming here soon. If that's something that interests you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button too. I'd much appreciate it. Y'all have a good one. We'll catch you on the next one.